Whether you're heading out for a road trip, planning multiple stops, or just looking for the best way to get somewhere, Apple Maps has you covered. I'll show you how to use the Maps Route Planner step by step. Ensure your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest version of iOS for access to all the features. Open the Apple Maps app from your screen and allow location permissions for accurate route suggestions if you haven't already. If you're not sure if they're turned on, go to Settings, go to Apple Maps, and make sure location is on while using the app. Now tap the search bar and enter a destination, and click on Directions. To add multiple stops, simply click on the Add Stop button. You can rearrange stops, dragging them up or down. Now choose your preferred travel mode: driving, walking, public transport, cycling. After you're ready, click on Go to start your navigation. Use the Look Around feature to preview your destination in 3D for better context. You can save your favorite locations by clicking on the plus icon. Check real-time traffic conditions with the heat map on roads. And use Siri for hands-free route planning while driving. If you can't see multi-stop routes, just change the mode of transport you're in. Preload your map by viewing the route while connected to Wi-Fi to avoid any connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.